Describe a travel you were looking forward to but was delayed.
Woohoo! It's time to learn follow-up questions.
What are the main means of transport in your country?
In my country, there are 3 primary modes of transportation: land, air, and water. Among these, land transport stands out as the most popular due to its affordability and accessibility for everyone. For shorter distances, people often opt for buses, as they allow them to reach their destinations promptly. Conversely, when it comes to longer journeys, railways are the preferred choice.
What can the government do to improve in transport your country?
The government has several avenues to enhance transportation within our nation. Firstly, prioritizing the maintenance and improvement of road infrastructure is crucial to ensure seamless movement between locations. Additionally, with the population steadily increasing, it's imperative to augment the frequency of transportation services. Furthermore, lowering transport fares would make it more accessible and beneficial for a broader range of individuals to utilize these services.
Do you think traveling was better in the past than it is now?
Certainly, the situation has evolved over time. In the past, with fewer vehicles on the road, individuals often faced long waiting times of approximately 2 to 3 hours to travel from one destination to another. However, nowadays, due to the availability of multiple vehicles that operate at frequent intervals, the waiting time has significantly reduced to just 1 to 10 minutes.
Do you think that tourist attractions help people learn about new cultures?
Certainly, tourist attractions undeniably facilitate cultural learning as they attract individuals from diverse backgrounds and nationalities. Consequently, when people converge at these sites, they eagerly share and exchange cultural insights, allowing them to gain valuable knowledge about the customs, habits, and lifestyles of individuals from various regions and countries.
What difficulties do people often face when traveling?
Traveling presents several challenges for people. Primarily, transportation delays are a common issue, as buses and other modes of transport can be cancelled due to factors such as traffic congestion, accidents, adverse weather conditions, or technical problems. Additionally, travelers often encounter communication barriers when moving from one location to another.
Do you think technology makes traveling more difficult?
Contrary to that belief, technology has significantly streamlined the travel experience compared to earlier times. Nowadays, with the advent of mobile applications like Google Maps, travelers enjoy unprecedented convenience. By simply entering their destination, these apps provide precise navigation instructions, eliminating the need for cumbersome paper maps or guidebooks. Furthermore, there are specialized applications that offer real-time updates on travel schedules, helping users optimize their time efficiently. Additionally, these apps provide valuable insights on traffic conditions, enabling travelers to anticipate delays and choose the most efficient routes to their destinations.
Thank you all for your participation and attention today. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. And as always, if you have any questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Alright, it's time for me to sign off. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and goodbye.